What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dom, back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, so a little bit about this look. It started out as a complete disaster. Like, I didn't know what the heck I was doing with this look, but I am an artiste. We work with everything that we got, so I was able to salvage it. What do you guys think about this look? I thought it came out, you know, from how it started, I think this is a very nice step up. Now, I am featuring some new lashes in this look, as well as 2 new lip glosses. And if you guys want to see how I did this look, make sure you keep on watching. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you drop a like.
Great news, everybody! Lush Legacy is officially open. To go ahead and find the website, just type in www.shoplushlegacy.com or simply search Shop Lush Legacy on Google and the website will come up. Go ahead and check out my newest products. I got lip scrubs, lip glosses, eyelashes, body butters, body scrubs, all things like that. Right now, I have a couple of sales going on. Make sure you go ahead and check out the website. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram for our newest deal. I have a great giveaway coming up. Right now, I have lashes on sale, both 25mm Minks and 3D Minks. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Okay, jumping back into the look, we're starting off with the Morphe palette, the Bronze Bay, and we're going for that skin tone color. This is like my go-to color, Hang 10, and this is going to be our transitional color. So this is going to go right underneath the brow bone. Moving on, we are switching to the Aurora Lights palette, and we're going to be switching off between the deep purple and that deep blue. They're right next to each other, and I'm going to go ahead and try to mix those two together, and that is going to be my next color. That's going to be my cut crease color. So I'm going ahead and I'm trying to block out just that beginning part of the color. Okay, this is where the first disaster started to go. So I jumped into that light blue right there thinking I was gonna get that color, and I didn't. It came out very pale, very light, and very like translucent. I didn't really like this one, but I tried to make it work. But as you can see, it just didn't work. It didn't have no pigment at all. So to fix it, I ended up going with the Warriors 3 palette from Juvia's place, and I went for that light baby blue. And I'm basically trying to fix what had originally started, and as you can already see, this color is way more pigmented than the first blue I used. So go ahead and fill up the second half of your eye. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because we need a matte black. So I'm going into this black, and I'm very carefully, I'm only adding this to the crease, and I want it to be really blended. So I'm not adding a lot of black. I'm just kind of like feathering it on there because I want it to like blend into that purple and into that blue. Fast forwarding, now you can see the shape that I was trying to go for. I'm really trying to do that extended wing for this look. So we're going to go ahead and cut our crease now using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I am almost out of this one, but I'm trying to make it work. Now that our cut crease has been cut, we are going in with the Nubian 3 Coral palette. This is a new palette by Juvia's place. Well, it's new to me. It's not new to the world. Anyway, so I'm going with that muted rose, and this is going to be the inside corner color. And again, I thought this color was going to work, but it was a little bit too muted for me, for my liking. But I ended up making it work anyway. And right here, I'm just using a flat brush to pack on most of the color. Okay, so now we're gonna switch back into the Aurora Lights palette, and we're gonna go for that shimmer hot pink. This was another mistake that I made because I thought that the color would be like super different and it would pop a lot more, but it kind of doesn't. Like when you put them right on my eye, they kind of look like the same color. There's like a slight color change, but I mean, whatever. Normally I would do a faded cut crease or like a half cut crease, but today I'm gonna try something different. So I'm going in with that, it's kind of like a magenta purple-ish kind of color, and I'm going to basically fill out the rest of that extended wing with this color. Again, it's not really popping the way I thought it would. I thought it would be like a super dramatic color change, but I mean, it's not. I mean, I made it work, but I just would have wanted, you know, a little bit more pop. In an attempt to make more color contrast, I'm using the NYX liquid liner, and this is white, and I'm basically going to be following that cut crease line all the way to that extended wing, just so I can add like a little bit more variety to this look. After I finished the line, I thought it would be cool if I added like some designer dots in there. So I'm basically just following the curvature of my eye, curvature of that line, and I'm making equally sized dots all the way around. Okay, now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and do our liner. This is a standard black liner, but you guys know how to do eyeliner, so you don't need to see it. Boom, we're back. Now, we are going to add our lashes, and I'm using my brand, the Lush Legacy brand. Oh my god, I love this case. And the lashes that I'm using in this brand, in this video, are Roxy. These are my 25mm lashes. They're super long, fluffy, and I love them. Like, just look at that. They are superb. Yes. Finishing, okay girl, finishing the look. We are going in with our standard black liner. This is a pencil liner by LA Girl or LA Killers. It's a black, and we're just adding this to our waterline. Here I'm adding a little bit of that leftover purple pigment, and this is going to go underneath the lash line. Normally I don't really do this because it looks really weird on me, but you know, I'm trying to expand my makeup game, so. As always, we're going to go ahead and do our highlight. I'm using the Kiss Shimmer palette. I absolutely love this. This is my go-to. I add it to my nose, to my eyebrow bone, and then sometimes, depending on the look, I might add it to the tear duct, or I might do glitter. But for this look, I don't remember if I did it. No, I didn't do it. Okay, so we're going to go back into the black liner. Because I did the inner, like, feline wing. I haven't really done this in a long time, so you know, I'm just trying to switch it up because I always do glitter in the tear ducts. So now I'm going to have a extended wing line. For our highlight, we are using the AOA Studio Wonder Baked highlighter, and this is the color Bubbly. It's kind of like a champagne brown. I think it's really nice. I only got it for $1. Like, you guys should really look into that. Like, it's an amazing highlighter. Dun dun. Now for the review of one of my lip glosses. This is Gotcha. It is a berry pink nude lip gloss. It's absolutely lovely. It smells delicious, and it feels like rubbing velvet on your lips. Next color, this is Yum Yum. This is a bubblegum pastel pink lip gloss, and again, it smells delicious. Like, I absolutely love this look. I was able to salvage it, as you guys can see. I love the lip, I love the earrings, the lashes. Like, this whole look is just popping, and it matches my hair. So let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Please make sure you guys check out the website. I have lashes on sale right now. Try one of my lip glosses, and I'll see you guys in the next look.